Hey, Jimmy with Cuff and Stuff. Man, have we got a good one for you today. You may not have seen this one. You like corn dogs? Not what we're doing. We're gonna do corn dog shrimp. Man, this stuff is so good. You lay it out before a ball game, for a party, or just a get together. Man, this stuff is gonna disappear. And I'm gonna show you how to do it. So, hang tight. All right, let's put our batter together. All right, we're gonna start. This is a cup of cornmeal. This is white cornmeal. It's okay. If you have yellow, go right ahead. All right, this is a cup of just self-rising flour. All right. All right, half a teaspoon of baking powder. Eighth of a tablespoon of just normal table salt. Quarter cup sugar. Tablespoon of honey. Now, I'm going to use, this is Mike's hot honey. All right. I'm going to put a tablespoon of Mike's hot honey. All right. Put an egg. And last but not least, we're gonna do, this is whole milk. I'm gonna do a cup, and I'm not gonna pour all of it in at one time. I'm gonna pour about half of it. And we're gonna start mixing the wet and the dry together. All right. There's the rest of it. There we go. All right, you see the consistency I'm looking for? This is maybe not quite as thick as pancake batter, okay? All right. Make sure we got it all in there, mixed together. All right, let me get my oil up to temperature, and then we're gonna start cooking. All right, well, we have our batter mixed up. We've got the oil in the little Fry Daddy. That's what I'm gonna use today, little Fry Daddy. All right, all I'm gonna do, and you see these still have the tails on them, but I'm just gonna dip the part that's been shelled and deveined, and then ease it down in the oil like this. And I'm gonna do several. I'm not gonna Pile it in there. All right. And this looks like the little fry daddy is going to hold the heat. Now, these weren't frozen. These had been boiled. Really not in any season at all. A little salt in the water, and that's it. Put one more in here. All right. I want them good and golden brown, but I'm going to flip them over. So these float pretty quick. Which, if you know about cooking in oil, when they float, they're pretty much done. I've got my tray right here, sitting in front of me. They're going to come out and go in the tray. And I'm not doing any seasoning to this other than what's in that batter. All right. There's the first one. All right, we're just gonna keep going. One at a time, though. And we're just gonna keep them going. Look how pretty those look. And I'm gonna tell you folks, this is so easy. All right, the last one. Now that's 2 pounds of shrimp, which way more than enough for my wife and I. And you see, it really doesn't take very long to cook these. I just want to make sure I get both sides brown. Dip a few of these what we used to call back in the day cracklings. I don't know what they're called today. That little Fry Daddy, I'm telling you, this thing has been around, I don't know how many years, forever. Since I was a kid, I would say. A long time, I know that. And this little Fry Daddy, now, it comes with a top. Be sure you really let this thing cool off before you put it down. I've unplugged it. Before you put the lid on, let it cool off. All right, I'm gonna let some of these shrimp cool down just a little bit. I'll bring you right back. There you go. Oh my goodness. Only one thing left to do. I'm going in. Corn dog and shrimp. It's got just a little bit of kick from that Mike's Hot Honey. Very, very little. If you don't like spicy, you can still do this. Oh my gosh. That's so good. Hey, listen. Thanks for sticking around, watching this. This is something we're gonna end up making a lot, I know already. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side, subscribe. I'll have another video just for you, right over here. How about give me a thumbs up, ring that bell so you don't miss anything. Until next time, hang tight and be good to one another. Hang tight.